Good morning, Chan, everyone. Today we come here to have a conversation about the impact of using plastic bag. My name is Bosonita.
My name is Rinaranasa.
My name is Thonyuli.
Hey Nasa, I saw a plastic bag flying in the wind today. It got stuck in the tree.
Oh no, that's bad for nature. And plastic bag also harm animal and the environment.
Really? How?
Well, animal makes mistake, makes it done by mistake and get sick. Also, plastic bags take many years to break down.
That sounds horrible. What can we do to help?
Maybe we can use reusable instead plastic of plastic one.
Yes, and we can pick up plastic bag when we saw on the ground and throw away properly.
Great idea. Let's tell our friend too. We can help all of us.
Yes, let's do it.
Thank you,
Chan, everyone, for listening to us. Thank you very much.